In today's digital world, it's easy to see products online, on social media, or even images that are computer generated. But there is no substitute for seeing and touching quality products firsthand.
We believe the showroom experience is really important, so you come and see the products firsthand, have a look and feel, and most importantly, see exactly how they will look in your home.
Here at Express, we set the benchmark for showrooms within the home improvement industry. Our flagship showroom in Leeds is unlike any other showroom in the UK.
Our flagship showroom here in Leeds is particularly large. It's 27,000 square foot and set over 2 floors, plus we have an outdoor display area as well. The main feature within this one is that we've actually built a full house right bang in the middle of it, and then surrounding the house there's various room sets and displays, including a couple more show houses, so it's a really unique space where you can see all our products in real, true-to-life settings.
We followed that theme across all of our showrooms, with London's most extensive glazing showroom located in Weybridge, and our Glasgow showroom, which is unlike any other venue in Scotland.
And now we've opened our Milton Keynes showroom, which is an inspirational and unique space unlike any other showroom in the Midlands or home counties, and a genuine rival to our flagship in Leeds.
It's so important that the full range and custom options are explored in detail, because our products will play a key role in the look, functionality, comfort and security of a customer's home for years. The biggest takeaway for me is that when a customer comes into the showroom and by the time they've left, they've got that full confidence that they're buying from someone who knows what they're doing, has been in business and trading for many, many years, manufactures their own products and has a full faith in the system that we can provide for a customer. If you're struggling to get to one of our showrooms, then you can view our products at live events across the UK.
We attend various exhibitions around the UK, including Birmingham, Glasgow, several in London and the South East. We always recommend that our customers visit our showrooms, but an exhibition stand is the next best thing.
But it is by visiting any of our showrooms that will really open your eyes to the potential of your home. All our showrooms are near major motorway networks and have ample parking. They all beautifully showcase our bespoke product range in real-life settings and are manned by our friendly and knowledgeable staff.
One of the nice things about visiting the showroom here in Leeds is that visitors can also take a look at where all the products will be manufactured. So that gives them a lot of peace of mind that they can see the size of the operation, they can see all that manufacturing setup and of course where all their products will be made.
But any of our showrooms are the perfect place to find advice and inspiration for your dream home and to discover the beautiful spaces that can be created with Express.